In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bases as a task manager in Obsidian. Open your Obsidian app. In this tutorial, there are already 4 task notes in the vault, and each of those notes has properties attached to it. Those notes also have due dates set to real upcoming dates, so the base can work with actual task information right away. Now verify that Bases is enabled. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Core Plugins. Scroll down until you find Bases and confirm the toggle is on. If the toggle is off, click it once to enable it. Then close Settings by clicking the X in the top right corner of the Settings panel. Next, create a new base. Open the Command Palette by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. In the Command Palette search field, type Create New Base. As you type, look for the command called Bases. Create New Base, then select it. A new base file opens, and it shows all nodes in your vault in a table. Go to the file name at the top and rename it. Click the name, type Task Manager, and confirm the new name so the base is clearly labeled. The table still lists every node in the vault at this point, and in the next part you will narrow that down to just the task notes. Click the Filter button at the top of the base. It has the funnel icon. In the first drop-down, select Tags. In the Operator drop-down, select Contains. Then move to the Value field and type Task. Press Enter so the filter is applied. Once that is entered, the table updates and shows only the 4 task notes created during setup. Now add the property columns to the table so the task details are visible. Click the Properties button in the toolbar. From the property list, click Status to add it as a column. Then click Priority to add that as a column too. After that, click Due to add the due date column. You should now see 4 columns in the Base, Name, Status, Priority, and Due. Each task row will display its property values in those columns. Next, sort tasks by due date. Right-click the Due column header. In the menu that appears, select Sort A to Z. The tasks are now arranged by due date, with the earliest deadline appearing at the top of the table. Now add a new task directly from the base. Click the plus New button at the bottom of the table, or use the 1 in the toolbar if that is visible in your layout. A new row appears in the table. Click the name cell and type Prepare Weekly Report. Finish entering the task name so the new note has a clear title. Then click the status cell for that same row and type Not Started. Move to the priority cell and type High. After that, click the Due cell and select a date next week from the date picker. Lastly, for this task, add the tag so it matches the filter you created earlier. Add a new property, type Tags, and then select Task. Once that is done, the new task is added to the table, and Obsidian also creates a corresponding note file in your vault with all of those properties attached to it. Now create a filtered view for active tasks. Go to the View tab at the top left of the base. It shows the current view name, such as Table. Right-click that View tab. Then click the vertical 3 dots and select Duplicate View. This creates a copy of the current view with the same columns and the same filter already in place. Find the duplicated view, which may appear as Table 2. Right-click it and rename it. Type Active Tasks, then confirm the new name. This gives you a separate view specifically for unfinished work. With the Active Tasks view open, click the Filter button. Then click Add Filter. Set the filter to Status, then is Not, then Done. As soon as that filter is applied, this view updates to show only active tasks, which includes items marked Not Started and in Progress, while hiding completed ones. You can now click the View tabs at the top to switch between Table for all tasks and Active Tasks for only the active ones. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.